Today we have received and are flagging off drugs, non-pharmaceutical laboratories, reagents, and nutritional therapeutic worth 40.5 million from KEMSA to 157 facilities in our county. This represents 73% fill rate of praised. This order is projected to cover a population of 1.462157 people in Kisii County. Doctors, SMHs, the pharmacists. Yes, drugs come from Nairobi. They arrive at KTRH here. We flag them off. Yes, you take them to the stores. Then from the stores now, the last mile of that bit, that's where there is a lot of crocodiles. We have said, this roundup, we are not going to give a chance to anybody. Kwa hivyo hakuna drug ambayo itapeanwa nje, hata kama moja imeanguka chini. Let us be told kwamba ilianguka chini na iliwekwa. And we went to trace, kuna drugs zingine zinaenda hospitali moja, zinakaa huko mpaka they expire. Kuna hizo drugs pia zinahitajika ziende kwa hospitali ambazo zinatumika. Pia for the MHs ama SMHs, I want to request you, now that we are giving out these drugs, round here, especially level 4 and level 5, lazima you must sustain yourself. Kwa sababu hatuwezi kuwa tunapea wewe dawa ya milioni 5, then the subsequent month ama quarter hatuna hata shilingi kutoka kwa facility yako. Hapana. We are making profit. Kwa hivyo you must sustain yourself. Ama sustainability lazima ikuwepo.
Tafadhali makofi ya tulo Ngabana anapo drug off dawa zile.